Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a tire on a Tesla Model Y. First, ensure your safety and the safety of others. Park your vehicle on a level, stable surface, engage the parking brake, and turn on your hazard lights. It's crucial to have the right tools, including a jack, a lug wrench, and specific jack pad adapters for your Tesla. Now, let's lift the vehicle. Tesla Model Y vehicles require a specific jack pad adapter to prevent battery damage. Place this adapter on your jack, then position the jack precisely under one of the 4 designated jack points. Slowly and carefully raise the vehicle until the flat tire is completely off the ground, allowing it to spin freely. With the car lifted, you can now remove the tire. If you haven't already, slightly loosen the lug nuts with your lug wrench while the tire is still on the ground. Once lifted, remove all lug nuts completely and carefully pull the flat tire straight off. Then, mount your spare tire onto the wheel studs and hand tighten the lug nuts. Finally, lower your Tesla Model Y. Once the tire is back on the ground, use your lug wrench to fully tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern. This ensures even pressure. Double-check the air pressure in your newly installed tire to ensure it's at the recommended PSI. Remember to get your flat tire professionally repaired or replaced as soon as possible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.